So today we're going to show you how to make a simple tamarind dressing that's going to pair well with multiple different salads or grilled meats. Salads. It's pretty universal and it has a nice sweet tang to it as well as spice and savory flavors. So try the recipe out and let me know what you guys think. Now, this recipe is pretty straightforward. Here we have some tamarind concentrate in a little jar. You can find it at your Asian supermarket. And then we have some fish sauce. We're just going to add these components into a bowl and give it a whisk. Take some limes. We have about a quarter cup of limes. We're going to use 2 limes and juice them. The pulp is quite alright. Into that same bowl, add some brown sugar. And literally you can add all the ingredients at the same time, but I'm kind of breaking it up and just giving a little mix every once in a while. Just to keep my hands busy. Right, take some garlic, give it a nice little mince, chop it up. You can use a RoboCoupe if you have a food processor. Use that. Put that into the bowl. Thai chilies, make it as spicy as you want. I have 3 Thai chilies here, and put that into the bowl. Give it a mix, mixity woppity bop. Add some water and season it. Taste it how it should be, like nice, sour, tart, and yeah, flavorful, umami. Bomb. Let's go. And here's a simple dressing you can make anywhere. Super simple, and it pairs well with many things. We're going to try it here with some grilled meat items, some chicken, and of course, my favorite, papaya salad. So, if you want to see more recipes like that, make sure you click the link over here, or check out more videos like we have over here. But, yeah. Hope you guys enjoy, and leave a comment down like below what kind of videos you want to see, what kind of recipes you want to see, and remember, stay happy, stay hungry, feed your soul, and feed your mind. Until next time, peace.